Extreme boating, boats launching from the beaches of St Lucia Estuary through the shore dump. The mid-break on the Sandbar and the back break large and tall. Adrenaline rush, most fun with clothes on. Boats launching from the beaches of St Lucia Estuary through the shore dump.
This channel's content is protected by copyright and is not authorized for AI training and data harvesting.
First one on the launch pad is the 830 Cat Legacy charter operation here in St Lucia. You know where to get my number if you want to book them. Was mistaking it slow. Oops, leg of the sea is stuck on the sandbar. This is a difficult position for a skipper to be in. Strimming up, concentrating on pushing forward, getting the vessel off the sandbar. He has to wait for water to wash in, and that water that wash in can turn him sideways. He's counter steering, he's fighting it to turn sideways. Look at that, motor's turning in from direction to direction to make sure the boat doesn't turn sideways. That's absolutely well done. Absolutely well done. And he's in the channel. Motors are trimmed down. He's already looking and assessing the situation. Yo, there's some big mud breaks on the sandbar washing through. As this is a tricky launch, it doesn't look that difficult. There's enough time between the sets and the waves. They are spaced very well, but it's still a tricky launch. He's holding it back, he's holding back. Yo. Nice maneuver there. I think he's got a cap, guys. Look at that. I think that's what we can call a lull. It's when the ocean goes completely calm in front of you, and all you need to do is work your way through. Well done. Happy hunting. Enjoy the day. Maans from Astrix. 21-foot Vcat. 2 100s. He's also keeping them trimmed high. He's using the current to float off the sandbank. He's in the channel. Much lighter boat. Many years of experience fishing here in St Lucia. Also a charter fisher. If you want to book, let me pop my number on the screen. Hang on a second. There you go, 081-342-7371 on South African dialing code. Push through, Maans, push through. I think that is his gap. Nope, he's turning north, it's closing up on his shoulder. There was a saddle, but there was one inside the saddle on the other side that would have caught him. Nope, experience shows. Experience shows. Well done, happy hunting, fill those hatches with great catches, and enjoy the day. Well train arriving, well watching 2025. Great experience. Driving from town with the well train, the people love it coming onto the beach, especially in the early winter. They still catch the sunrise. but this makes for better video quality. People are on the vessel, they're getting their safety briefing, their life jackets is on. It's a push for Sean Mansfield by Mantla on Free Spirit 1. The boat with the V6, twin V6s on, has sprung a oil leak on one of the motors, so there's a major surgery happening on that vessel. Heart surgery. He got over the lip quite comfortably. Very light boat, this Vcat 830s to 200s on the back, makes it a very fast boat. And the skippers need to throttle control, because it becomes very bumpy on that boat if the skipper doesn't have the speed and the throttles under control. He's pushing for the sandbank. But there's a nice mid-break on the sandbank. He's holding back a little. He's going to climb the foamy by the time that the foamy has dissipated. He's turning into the mid-break. Oops, it's closing up in front of him. Wow, turn, Sean! Yo! You'll make me poop in my pants. No, man, I've got pins and needles on my feet. He's turning north. That was well executed. Taking that 830 carry cat on a dime like that. Looks like a 22-foot Hellcat. Well done, young man. I hope you're well watching. Enjoy the trip. Next one is Josh on Free Spirit 2, 8.3 meter Vcat. Mandla waiting for the shore dump to wash through, and that's a push right into the shore dump, behind the shore dump, where there's no shore dump. Is he going to float off that lip? Yes, he's floating off the lip. I thought it was going to be too shallow for that 8.3 meter Vcat, because an hour earlier Legacy got stuck there, but tide is coming in. And it's opening up right in front of Josh. Nope. What is going to happen on that unpredictable sandbank? He's turning southwest. Pushing through. Well done, eh? Guys and gals, if you like this video, please hit the super thanks button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button or join our community.